voltinha de skate. Nossa, fazia um tempão que eu não andava. Tá um dia gostoso. Eu descobri que vai ter um curso de inglês aqui em Portland da Oxford House College e esse curso vai ser completamente gratuito e pelo que eu vi tu tem que só fazer um depósito, assim, pagar um dinheiro, né, de $25 para eles, e se tu for no curso e não faltar mais que 3 aulas, vão ser vários dias de curso, e não faltar mais que 3 aulas, aí eles te devolvem os $20. Eles ficam só com 5 por causa de material. Eles pedem para tu fazer um teste aqui de inglês, são 50 perguntas para testar o teu inglês, para eles identificar qual nível que você tá. 50 perguntas, acertei 41, errei 9, meu nível é B2, upper intermediário. Intermediário avançado, acima de intermediário, né? Legal. Vamos ver como é que funciona aí, se eu consigo uma vaga nesse cursinho aí. Eu vou mostrar pra vocês um negócio que é super tradicional aqui nos Estados Unidos, que é s'mores. S'mores? You know why this name?
Because you want to have some more.
Oh, some more.
You have one and then you want some more.
Você pega duas bolachinhas dessa, que parece uma bolacha Maria.
Graham crackers.
Graham crackers. Aí a gente coloca chocolate.
They're not exactly the perfect size as a
Yeah.
cracker. Marshmallow.
I'm gonna do one marshmallow. Maybe you should get 2 sticks for you. 2 extras. Because I think it's better to hold with 2 sticks of marshmallow. So it's not gonna be spinning around. Aí isso se come em acampamento. Nossa, que gostoso aqui porque tá friozinho. E isso aqui esquenta pra caramba, tô sentindo o calorzinho que vem dali. Pena que tem um pouco de vento. Então agora eu vou pegar um marshmallow quadradinho desse. No, it's not for you. E vou colocar aqui, espetar ele.
These are fancy marshmallows that I've never even seen before. They're square shaped. We always had to deal with round marshmallows.
Yeah,
when I
they're
was a
special
kid.
made for s'mores.
No, there's some more mellows.
Oh, get out of the fire! Pega o cobre com o outro. Ele tá quente e vai derreter o chocolate. Fica uma nhaca.
Push on my cracker.
Tá. Esse ainda. Oh,
Here. See, mine's not all that melted.
It's delicious.
Yeah. We need to perfect our technique a little bit though.
Yeah.
Mine was mostly raw. It wasn't really cooked. We walk up.
Did you do this a lot when you were a kid?
Not really. Just every now and then. You want the marshmallow to be hot and melty so that when you put it on the chocolate, it melts the chocolate. When we lived in the RV, We would sit outside and enjoy the fire in a nice evening. Sometimes other people I knew in the RV park, we would all sit around the fire like this outside of one of our RVs.
Hard.
Have some cocktails.
Yeah, that was the fun part about living in an RV park. There was a lot of neighbors, and
Yeah,
you used to see people.
Yeah, there was a lot of community.
Yeah, like here, for example, you never see your neighbors.
Yeah. Although, you know, the contact we have with Bruno and his family is far more than I ever had at my last house.
Uh,
I mean, I would say hi to my one neighbors across the fence, and that was about it.
it's because he's Brazilian.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's nice to have, you know, friendships with the neighbors like that, because it doesn't always happen.
Miko, go, go, go. He's still. The wind is blowing fire here. When I was walking today with Fred, there was a neighbor. I don't know where he lives, like what house. He was walking with his dog, like a big boxer, maybe. He was super friendly. He waved, and I think maybe because we both had big dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the funny thing was, so I went home. I was dealing in the garage with my slot car. Oh shit!
Yeah, my knee's getting a little hot.
Oh no! And the wind is blowing the fire in my neck. I'm gonna burn my spurt. So that same guy, he passed again with the dog in the front of the house, and then he waves again, like even more than the first time. And I was like, wow, that's nice. Tentando fazer só agora, ué. Mas demora. This takes forever.
Yeah, I mean, usually when you do the over a traditional campfire, is you wait for the fire to burn down and you toast them over the embers,
Oh,
not
okay.
the flame.
Aham.
So, because then you can
And you-
control how far you are from the heat.
Acho que na outra vez eu tava muito afobado porque eu tava filmando. Agora que eu tô fazendo certo, ó. Tá vendo? Ele tá inchando. Esse é o ponto certo. Maybe I should put inside of a cookie.
I can go grab you one if you want.
Yeah, please. Quick, quick. Oh, it's melting. Quick, quick.
Let me do the work. Pull the stick out.
Aham. Ó, agora vocês vão poder ter uma noção melhor, ó. Ele derrete o chocolate. Gente, é muito bom. É um negócio que dá pra fazer no Brasil. Tem tudo isso aqui aí. É muito bom. É bem doce. Perfeito.